Welcome this video. Pallet project for the gardening create idea to transforming your outdoor space. Recycle old pallet wood have become a popular trend in sustainability gardening. Not only is pallet wood easy to work with and often free, but it's also a rustic, easier friendly charm to outdoor space. If you are look to enhance your gardening with style and functional decor, pallet wood is a great material to start with. Create and dropping pallet project you can build to beauty your garden. For style pallet plants, one of the easiest and most impactful pallet project is our various plants. It's perfect for smart gardening benefit with limited space. Buy stored pallet upright and landscape fiber benefit. You can create to give half plants or even smart vegetable. How to build it? Sand the pallet and its if with an outdoor wood attach landscape root hold set. Reports maximize and choose gardening. Pallet to the wall and panel for set. This versatile gardening look beautiful again. French and sharp great space well often a various display for growing. Pallet gardening branch. Attach charm and functional to your gardening with a pallet wood branch whether place under the tree by flower bed on a patio, a pallet